It is January 1st, 2013. I am on Suicide Hill, and I'm going to attempt to take this dog down with me. So, after she gets done barking and pulling my arm out of the socket, we're going to go down this hill. So, we're going to get ready and go down. I hope I don't kill myself. Okay, here we go. She's barking. Alright, here we go. There's Kadena going psycho. And I'm going to attempt to go down here. We're trying to calm her down. I'm the only one right now. I'm the last woman standing. Nobody else wants to go down. So here we go. We're going to go down. Cut it out. Hold on, I'm getting ready. Okay. Here we go. Come on. You ready? Good girl. Good girl. Here we go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Kadena.